We are going to share some amazing home remedies that will help you achieve stronger and healthier nails. Whether you have brittle nails or want to encourage faster nail growth, these remedies have got you covered. So, let's jump right into it. 1. Lemon. One of the simplest and most effective remedies for nail growth and strength that is easily found in your kitchen is lemon. Massage your nails with lemon for about 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat this process twice a week to see noticeable improvements. 2. Lemon juice and olive oil and Vaseline. Mix equal parts of lemon juice, olive oil and Vaseline. Add some salt in lukewarm water and soak your nails in it. Then apply the mixture on your nails and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. This remedy helps in removing stains and promotes nail growth. 3. Garlic treatment. Garlic is a powerful ingredient that helps strengthen weak and brittle nails. Cut a small piece of garlic and apply this on your nails and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Garlic contains sulfur, which stimulates nail growth and improves their strength. 4. Coconut oil massage. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamins that promote nail growth and prevent breakage. Warm up some coconut oil and gently massage it into your nails and cuticles for a few minutes. Coconut oil not only moisturizes your nails but also helps in improving blood circulation, which is essential for nail growth. 5. Toothpaste. Take Colgate toothpaste and apply paste on your nails. Leave it for 10 minutes, then soak your nails in lukewarm water and clean your nails. It is very effective remedy for nails growth. These simple yet effective remedies can work wonders for your nails, giving you stronger and healthier looking nails in no time.